Bit of a new one, guys. Try to trim this motor down in the driveway to clean it, and she's just making a noise where the motor sounded like it was running. So I just took this cover off the trim motor unit and found that this cog had popped off the shaft. So I've cleaned up all in there, got the belt there. It's a bit shagged, so I'll order a new one, and what I'll do is I'll put a bit of Loctite on here and then hammer that back on, and then that there is to tension it. So you change this, unloosen this grub screw, and this Allen key will move this shaft here to tension the belt. But yeah, quite surprised to find that. I'll see if I can get this going for the next trip. Alright, success, guys. So put a bit of blue thread locker on there and hammer that back on with a mallet, and that's trimmed up, so hopefully that's all that was. The belt's got a nice amount of tension on it, don't want to go too much more, so hopefully that lasts a little bit more. But I think this trim unit's on its way out, so get the joys. So I'll just show you how this works. So that motor spins this, which drives this up and down.